In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the Alljoyn Router Service on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for those computers running Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. And you want to proceed to type in Services. One of the best matches should say Services on the list. You want to left click on it one time to open this view up. And now there should be something that says Alljoyn Router Service. You want to double click on it. Now if you want to turn it on, you just have to go underneath Startup, type here, click on this drop down box, set it to automatic, and then you would left click on apply and OK. If you're looking to disable the service, again just click inside the drop down menu, select disabled instead. But let's say we want to set it to automatic, click on apply and OK here. I recommend closing out of any open programs or applications you have, restart your computer, and the service should be running when you restart your computer. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.